Hello everyone, this is Lipsa and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about 6 habits that I have integrated into my daily routine to bring a positive change into my life. So the first habit would be waking up early and sleeping early. So earlier I used to sleep at random time. I used to wake up at random time. Now I try to fix it by giving a specific time for sleeping and specific time for waking up. That is, I try to sleep by 12 a.m. and I try to wake up at around 7 to 7:30. This simple thing has improved my productivity a lot and the energy level for the day. I um I do not feel sleepy during the day at all now. Earlier, I used to sleep whenever I felt like it, but now I don't feel sleepy for the day at all. So that has really helped. The second thing would be practicing meditation because meditation is something that I was doing before also, but I could not be consistent with it. So now I have made a challenge for myself. Like I need to meditate no matter how busy I am. So I try to meditate for 5 to 8 minutes on days when I can't take out the time for it. But these 5 to 8 minutes, even the 5 to 10 minutes meditation sessions are have helped me so much in the thinking clearly, in managing my task, that I can't emphasis on the changes that it has brought in me. It helps me to prioritize my task. It helps me to calm me down whenever I feel anxious, whenever I feel burnout. I try to close my eyes and meditate for 5 to 8 minutes, and that's enough for the day. Now I get a clear picture for the day and I plan my day during these 5 to 8 minutes of meditation, and it clears a lot of mental barrier for me, and I would highly recommend it. If you are a beginner, try with a few minutes of breathing practices. These tutorials are easily available on YouTube. You can follow anyone. If you would like, if you want, then I would link some of the practices that I follow in the description section. The third habit could be moving my body a bit. As I told you earlier, I did not have a fixed schedule for sleeping and waking up. So earlier, for the initial days, it was very hard for me to wake up at 7 and not to fall asleep again. So I try to follow some YouTube routines, exercise routines that helps me wake up my body and not to fall asleep again. So now I do a few good warm up or stretches or feel good exercise routines that are available on YouTube. And on days when I don't feel like following a routine, I simply do the basic stretches, squats, and etc. And that really gives me a boost or flow for the day. You can try it if you want. Then the fourth habit would be drinking water. It is again linked with the thing that I used to fall asleep as soon as I wake up at 7 or 7:30. So, but when you do good, you build good habits. Now the other good habits automatically follow. That is what I realized after practicing these 6 habits for some weeks now, and drinking water is one of them. I do not I Now that I wake up early, I do not I drink water for to wake me up, but it also has improved my digestion, my and the electrolyte balance in my body. Earlier I used to feel very weak, very sleepy, but now it has improved significantly, and I would like to give the credit to these 4 habits that I have described. The next one would be practicing journaling. So, there are so many thoughts that come into our mind throughout the day. So nowadays I try to note it down whenever I feel some important thoughts coming onto my mind, like about some realizations or some behavior of people that I don't like. I try to note it down. Gossiping is fun, but I have realized that it also takes a lot of your energy and time. So, and it creates a negative feeling in our brain. The last one would be practicing gratitude. We complain a lot about the things that we don't have, but at the same time, we don't appreciate enough the things that we already have until they are gone. Nowadays, I am consciously trying to be more thankful, grateful, and mindful for the things that I have, like my health, my education, or my freedom, or my supportive parents, or the loved ones. And this simple change has helped me in shifting the perspective from a negative one to a positive one. Now I feel more happy, content, and positive for life, for everything that happens. And I am trying to be I'm trying to complain less about the things that are not in my control, and try to do whatever is in my control. So this change has helped me a lot, to know not to go like in a cycle of anxiety or burnout, or like not doing enough, etc. So basically, so I started with one habit, that is fixing my sleep schedule, and I ended up adding one by one um, into the list to back that habit, that one habit. And I will be trying new habits and add them into the list of existing habits to see if it helps me improve my life, and adds value to the existing ones or not. So if you like, I will be sharing them with you all once I see the changes in me. And thank you so much if you are watching it till the end. It means a lot to me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.